Dear learners, in this session, I am going to discuss important Python library, how to install and import Python library. Here I am going to use the platform as Jupyter Notebook. I hope you have installed the Jupyter Notebook. And before beginning of the video, I request you to open your Jupyter Notebook. At the end of the video, I'll promise you that you will be learning about the following library. What is NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Why NumPy is required? To create array. The Pandas are mainly used for the data analysis. It is mainly used for like we have set of data, how to analyze the data. For the business analytics, we are using Pandas library. Other one is called the Matplotlib. The main purpose of Matplotlib is to plot the graphs. Okay, visualization purpose. So these are the major purposes. You can expect like multiple choice questions based on this particular topic. Now we are going to install and importing each and every library, and we will be doing some examples as well. I request you to watch this video at the end. So moving on to the discussion, first of all, I'm going to explain the importance of the NumPy. NumPy is mainly used for creating the array. So how to install the NumPy? First of all, you have to open the Jupyter Notebook. Later, what you are supposed to do is you need to type this particular command. All of you, please pay the attention. Starting from an exclamatory mark, you can see the exclamatory mark. So please check my mouse pointer. Later, you have to type like pip. Okay. Then you have to type install. Then type NumPy. So these are commands to install NumPy. It is required. If you go for Google Collaboratory, it is not required. Already by default, library has been installed, but in Jupyter Notebook, it's not available. So you are supposed to type exclamation mark, then space, type pip, then install NumPy. Later, you have to click run button. Okay, run button, or you can type like shift plus enter. Okay, shift plus enter. Hope you will be trying. Okay, shift plus enter. Fine. Then you can see the command window. Just see what you are able to get. So let me show you the page. What I'm getting, I have taken the screenshot. So what I'm going to get is C. So this is the command which I'm getting. That means the installation has been completed successfully. Later, once the installation is done, you have to import. How to import NumPy? Yes, I'll be showing you the command. Kindly observe very carefully. Yeah, there is a command called import. So please type it as import. Provide a space, then type NumPy. Then again, no need to mention like a NumPy. You can put a short form. NumPy as NP. So I am going to call it as a short form. Here you have to put as. Okay, like import NumPy as NP. So now here afterwards, the short form of NumPy will be NP only. Hope you are understanding. So no need to write NumPy again and again. There is a short form called the NP. It is equivalent to NumPy. I hope you got my point. Yeah. So this is the procedure. I hope you have installed and imported NumPy successfully. Now we can create an array for that. Yes, type a small program here. Declare no need to like just type n. N is a variable. So np dot array. Then you have to open the parenthesis. Again, inside the parenthesis, you can put your array 4, 5, 6. Okay, then what you can do, I need to print this particular variable. I'm going to print the variable. So you type print n. Then you will be getting the array as 4, 5, 6. It's in the matrix form. It's an array basically. Okay, like that you can print the array. So please try this program in your Jupyter Notebook. Okay, yes. Next is actually check the type of an object. To check type of an object, what you can do is use the command print, open the parenthesis. You type another command like a type, then again one more parenthesis and type it as n. Then shift plus enter, or you can go for run. Then you will be getting what kind of variable, what kind of object you will be getting. It is basically an array, one-dimensional array. Hope it is clear to everybody. Yeah. So please try once. Let me know any queries. So another thing is, if you want to have a data analysis, to set of data I have to print, or I have to store some set of data. So I require another library called Pandas. So what is the procedure for installing Panda? First of all, you have to install NumPy. That is mandatory. Thereafter, you can create you can create the pandas. So procedure is very simple. I'll be letting you know what is a procedure. So Panda is an open source tool which is mainly used for the data analysis and manipulation. The major applications are statistics, finance management, neuroscience, data analytics, as well as economics. These are the major applications of Pandas. Now, how to install Panda first? So open your Jupyter notebook, type the same command. What is the command? Then exclamation mark, space, pip, install pandas. Then you have to click on either run or you can go for shift plus enter. It is up to you. I comfortable with the shift plus enter. So I'm recommending you that. Fine. So once it is installed, what you can do is you have to import. How to import? Use the command import pandas as PD. So PD is the nowadays, sorry. Here afterwards, PD will be the short form, abbreviation or short form, we can say. Now I'll be typing one code. I have to create a database. Like you can use the first line says that hash data set. Hash means it's for commenting, it's for understanding purpose. That after the hash, whatever you are typing, no, that is nowhere in the picture. It's just for the understanding purpose. I think you got the idea. Later you can call a variable data. Okay, now you can type everything like student list of the students are available. Here you have to take care while typing. Then everywhere you have to put a comma. Okay, after completion of the first line, you have to put a comma. Then marks. After entering the marks or for 5 students, you have to put a comma. Then you type all accordingly in the Jupyter notebook. Once it is completed, you have to close by using the flower bracket. You need to close accordingly. Later, you call one variable called res, that is equal to pd dot data frame. Then put a data. Okay, mentioning the data, what kind of data type you are going to use. Later, you have to display student performance. Okay, and you have to highlight this particular variable. So I put res. Any variable you can put, it is up to you. Okay. Later, what you can do is you have to run the program. So once you have run the program, you'll be getting this particular data. This is your output. So I request everybody to check the output. Are you getting the output or not? Here, this kind of database you can generate with the help of this particular library called Pandas. Okay, so that is application. So that you can create so many databases. Another one is another library, third library in this session we are going to familiar is Matplotlib. So function is, it is mainly for the interactive visualization as well as data interpretation, data visualization. That means plotting the graph, because in the business purpose, we need to have different diagrams, line diagram, histogram, bar diagram, etc. So this library function will be really helpful for plotting the different type of graph, which will be helpful for the visualization purpose. How to install and run first. So first of all, what you can do is you need to install. Okay, what is installation procedure? Exclamation mark, pip, install, Matplotlib. Please take care of the spelling. It's very important. Yeah, later on you can click for run button or shift plus enter. Both are okay. Moving further, I'll be getting the installation. This is actually a message regarding the installation. Please verify once you are getting or not. Once you are getting, that means installation is completed successfully. Thereafter, what you can do is you can plot a particular line, simple program. A program I have typed here. First of all, you have to import numpy as np. So now a short form is np. Numpy you have to, anyway, array. It is dealing with the array. Later, you have to create x variable as well as y variable I have created. Later, you have to use the command plot.plt dot plot, then xpts, ypts. Xpts and ypts is already defined. Later, you have to apply to display the graph, use the command plt.show. Okay. This is actually the simple program. I request everybody to type. I have the program. If you require, you can put in the comment box. I will be sharing the code also. I have made out. Okay, so I request you to run these ones. These are the code. So shift plus enter, or you can directly click on the run button. This is your output. If you want, you can do the labeling also. In that, you have to give the comments. Okay, labeling. Right. So we'll be doing that. Right now, we are going only for the preliminary things. Later, we'll be going for like advanced level. So you can download it. Okay, it's possible to download in the form, any form you can download, either in the form of notebook or in the form of HTML. It is up to you. All right. Okay, so these are the procedure. So in this session, we have completed. Okay, we have completed how to use the different library. These are the three important library you need to study at the beginning itself. Okay, so please make a note of these three library and be careful while typing all the comments. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. I hope the session is useful. Happy learning. Thanks for watching this video.